Ultimate Guide to install WordPress on VPS server. WordPress is one of the most used content management systems (CMS), while VPS is a popular web hosting platform. When you combine these two for your website, you get a stable, feature-packed and reliable hosting environment. Here's a handy guide to installing WordPress on your VPS for the ultimate hosting performance. How to install WordPress on VPS. There are two different ways of installing WordPress on a VPS. Using a control panel, manual installation. Installation with a control panel. Check whether your host allows you to configure VPS through the dashboard. Follow these steps if it does. Log in to your VPS account, go to the Servers tab and click on the blue plus button. Choose your VPS location, scroll down to Server Type section, and select WordPress. That's it. Follow the rest of the on-screen instructions to install WordPress. Manual installation. Here's the process for manually installing WordPress on VPS. Connect to the VPS through SSH and log in as root. Open the SSH client, enter your server's IP address, set the port to 22 and select SSH as the connection type. Install a LAMP stack so that WordPress gets an HTTP server, database and PHP to run. Secure the database to block remote logins and configure it for WordPress. Initialize the server, start the applications. Install and run WordPress. Finally, edit the wp-config.php file to enter the database details. Reseller Club's VPS hosting offers full root access along with a powerful dashboard and easy upgrades. Get a powerful website with guaranteed resources, fast SSD storage and Neustar's DDoS protection.